Hey everybody, this is Halstead and Andrew McMillan with REH CPA. Today we want to talk about fringe benefits. A lot of our small employers out there are very concerned about, retaining employees, also being able to attract new employees, and sometimes offering fringe benefits can help with that. Andrew, what can you tell us about fringe benefits?
So fringe benefits basically are another form of compensation for employees that isn't like actual cash, like writing them a check for their service for working for you. So some common examples of fringe benefits are going to be offering health insurance to your employees, paid time off, offering maybe life insurance for your employees, usage of a company vehicle, outside of out of work, things like that. Child care reimbursement, if your employees pay for daycare, reimbursing them for some of that, tuition assistance on some level. So there are many forms of what the IRS would consider a fringe benefit, and it's just something to be mindful of as far as a different way to offer compensation to your employees.
So those fringe benefits that you're talking about, are they taxable to the employee? Are they a tax deduction for the employer? Things like that?
Yes, that's a good question. So they are taxable to the employee. You have to figure out what the fair market value is of that benefit and include that in their taxable compensation for the year. So you do get to take a deduction for that piece, but it is taxable to the employee by default. Now, there are some fringe benefits that are exempted. So just like everything in the world of taxation,
it depends.
But the common ones that are exempted are usually like health-related, like health insurance. That's not taxable. HSA contributions, a 401k is another form of a fringe benefit. The money that employees put towards a 401k, that reduces their taxable
and
income.
The employer's contribution is a deduction and not taxable to them as well.
So it's not a blanket yes or no. I mean,
it just depends.
It depends.
You got to look at each one.
A lot of them are going to be taxable, but there are some exemptions. Then to get that exemption, you have to have some specific paperwork in order with your firm, like it's called a cafeteria plan. It's very easy. There's nothing overly complex about that, but to make sure it's in compliance with being a tax-free benefit, you'd want to discuss that and make sure you get that where it needs to be.
Yeah, awesome. Well, really good information, Andrew. If you have any questions about offering your employees fringe benefits, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you out. Thanks.